Topic 12, Lesson 3, Modeling Subtraction of Fractions. Well, so far you know how to model addition of fractions with fraction strips. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to use fraction strips to subtract fractions. Our standard is understand a fraction, a over b, with a greater than 1 as the sum of the fractions 1 over b, and understand addition and, in this case, subtraction of fractions as joining and separating parts referring to the same whole. Also, to solve word problems involving addition and subtraction of fractions referring to the same whole and having like denominators, e.g. by using visual fraction models and equations to represent the problem. Mathematical practices, we're going to make sense of problems and persevere in solving them, model with mathematics, use appropriate tools strategically, and look for and express regularity in repeated reasoning. Let's say you use 4/6 of a sheet of construction paper to make decorations. How much of the sheet is left? So again, you use 4/6 of a sheet, of a whole sheet, and we want to know how much is left over. And that's a key word for subtraction right there. Alright, so let's take a look. Let's say this is our whole piece of construction paper, and it's divided into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to use 4/6 of it. And again, the question is, how much is left over? So let's go ahead and highlight what we're going to use. So for example, if we're going to use 4/6, here's a 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because each of these is a 6. 1 6, 1 6, 1 6, 1 6, 1 6, and 1 6. So the highlighted part is the parts that we actually used. So what's left over? Well, it's pretty easy to see because it goes right here. It's this part here. We actually have 2 6 left over. So to see the actual equation, we actually start off with 6 over 6. That's what this whole piece means. One whole equals, in this case, 6 over 6 minus 4 over 6. And since they both have the same denominator, we can just straight subtract across the numerator, and we're going to get 2 6. Alright, let's try this one. 7/8 minus 3/8. Pause the video, try it, and come back when you're ready. Good luck. Alright, how did you do? Well, let's take a look. Well, the simple way, we can start off by just looking at the equation itself. Since each of these have a like denominator, the same, we can actually go straight across and get 4/8, which makes it pretty easy because 7 minus 3 is 4. We can also show it in the picture here. We know we have 7/8, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and we want to subtract 3 of them. So we can subtract 1, 2, 3. And what do we have left? Well, we have these 4 left. And in this case, we didn't need the whole strip, the 8 out of 8. We only need 7 out of the 8. And what do we have left out? We have 4 8s left. We have this one left, this one, this one, and this one. 4 8s, which is exactly the answer we got. How did you do? Alright, now try some on your own. Good luck.